do you like traveling?
God, yes. Oh my God. I love traveling. That's my favorite part about my job. I get to travel. The furthest I've traveled was an hour, but it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. The beautiful scenes. I get to watch the sunrise. Florida is so beautiful. I think Florida is the most beautiful state. So, yes, I love to travel. I wish I could travel just all the time for the rest of my life. I love to travel.
How many countries do you traveling?
Just America. I know Tyler's having a stroke down there. Yeah, absolutely. I've traveled within the United States. I've traveled a lot on the east side. Have you been outside of the country?
Yeah, I want to traveling, but you have too money to traveling. So it's a big problem for me now. That's why I'm saving. If you get a opportunity to visit Bangladesh, what do you think about?
What do I think about Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Well, the thing that stood out to me the most was the colors. There's so many colors everywhere. Pink and orange, green, purple. I like the colors a lot. Yeah.
Green is everywhere you can see.
So many colors.
Yeah. And Bangladeshi people is very friendly.
I love the Bangladeshi people. They're so sweet.
You are welcome. If you want to visit Bangladesh, I will receive you. And you have also Ghazi Nahyan.
I think all of Bangladesh would receive me.
Yeah, so many people know you.
I love them. They're so sweet. They really are. They are some of the sweetest people. I love them so much. They're so sweet.
Everyone know you. What do you think about it? What's your feeling?
I am so grateful that so many kind and sweet people know me. It's so nice. At least it's not a place where people are not so nice. So I feel so lucky. I'm so happy. Do you sail?
Yeah, I'm watching your video, Ghazi Nahyan, but nowadays you don't talk with him. What is the reason?
Oh, you know why? Because my job became the person that I was working for reached out to my agency and asked if I would work for them full time, and I agreed because that means that I have, consistent hours. But I recently had to take less days off. I had to take more days off because it was too much taking care of the kids and working that much. So
You are busy with.
and also the other reason is because Bangladesh is, I believe it's ahead of America 10 hours, right? Or behind. I think it's ahead.
Here is
Ahead.
morning.
You're ahead of us 10 hours. Every time he calls me, it's either I'm about to go to sleep, or if I call him, he's about to go to sleep. It's kind of hard. But I think tomorrow we can do content. And he recorded a couple of things, but I don't think that he's put them up yet.
But now his father is very, very sick.
Yes, he is. Have you been praying for him?
Yeah. And now we are friends. Can I knock you some other time if you don't mind?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for coming. If for any reason you recorded any of this, that's totally fine, but can you just tag me in it?
And you have a golden heart, do you know that? You are very sweet, yeah. Because you don't have any kind of ego. You are very friendly.
Thank you, Waleed. That is so kind. But yeah, Waleed, thank you for calling me.
Okay, now we meet later. I have to go, if you don't mind.
Bye, Waleed. Text me on here and I'll send you my Facebook information.
Okay, sure. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.
Bye, Waleed.